welcome back to our vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious churros, and we're also going to make some choco milk. So we're going to go ahead and start with getting all these items here for our choco milk and our churros. We're going to have movie night tonight. You're going to need one of these aluminum foil trays to put your churros in. You're going to need some salt, eggs, water, olive oil. You don't need olive oil, sorry, any oil can work. I just use olive oil when I cook, so that's just what I have. You're gonna need eggs, butter. You're gonna need one of these here, so you can go ahead and make your churros. You're gonna need whole wheat, sugar. You guys can buy any vanilla. That's the one I buy right there. You need cinnamon. You're gonna need bananas for your choco milk. This right here is the Mexican choco milk. So this is the one that I highly recommend. Your kids will love it. You're gonna need some milk, and I got these for the kids. They're like color changing straws and cups. We're gonna go ahead and make our churritos and our choco milk. Stay with us. I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of water. You're gonna go ahead and have your heat at medium high. You're gonna go ahead and add some butter, just 1 tablespoon. You're going to go ahead and add some salt, just a half tablespoon. 1 spoonful of vanilla. We're going to go ahead and have it simmer. We are bringing it to a boil. Now we're going to turn off the stove, and we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of flour. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it becomes a dough. This is how our dough should be looking. If you guys do need some more water, add some more water to your dough, because I found that I needed a little bit more water, so just add a little bit more and make it into a dough. We're gonna add 1 egg and we're gonna mix. After we added the egg, your dough should look like this. If you do need some more flour, go ahead and add some more flour until it becomes like a dough. We're going to go ahead and add it to the tube. We're going to go ahead and start putting some oil in the pan. Make sure it is hot when you put in your churros. Here we have it. I did buy these little bags over at Walmart, like for $4, and it also comes with the tips. I would recommend you guys get these little baggies and start prepping our churros on this tray. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pan. Make sure your oil is hot. Also put a 1/2 cup of sugar and added some cinnamon. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make Mexican choco milk. This is Mexican chocolate. This is the secret. You guys must put ice in your blender. Add some milk halfway and add this chocolate milk. It has to be this chocolate milk here. It is choco milk. It has a little boy dancing. You're going to also add 1 or 2 bananas to your blender. You're going to mix it, and it's going to be like a really good smoothie. Your kids will love it. Here I have the mix. You add milk, the ice, the chocolate milk, and slice up some bananas in there. We're going to go ahead and blend it. I added about 4 tablespoons of the chocolate milk.